Hey guys, how's it going? Started taking this aluminium part, aluminium multi I'll call it. Started a video player. Got the one outside. Took many of these apart in the past. Someone just shut it in basic scrap. So yeah, I started ripping that off, and I realised when I ripped it off, the screws. So somehow, there you go. So there you go. Oh, copper inside that. So just a bit of steel. So I started already, taking it apart, taking some of the screws out, and that's just, and the only little screws. So I thought that would, doing that little screws. So yeah, and what I'm going to do is this should be this star. What screw level? It's a star shape screw. So yeah, it's like a magnet inside that. So just took 2 screws off of there. Yeah, because I thought it. Yeah. Then I just took a simple screw from there. So that's a bit of brass. Then that's loose now. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pull it apart. So it's not easy. So yeah, it's get a little screwdriver in there. Like that. Flathead, just where's it? Yeah, there was some bit of copper wire around it. I did end up hurting myself. Yeah, but yeah. Now I need a big star onto it. Not easy than that. Just more copper with a bit of brass on. So get the cutters in there on it. Take it off, brass screws. So there you go. That's what that meant. Aluminium. So yeah. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.